Dear student, welcome to our NIVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, assistant teacher of English National Ideal English National School morning shift. Student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic chapter 2, lesson 1 and 2. Today we will discuss lesson 1 and 2 from chapter 2. So let's get started our class. Student, chapter 2. Our title of this chapter, Cleanliness of Home. Lesson 1, Internal Cleanliness of Home. That means internal means inside. Internal means inside. We all like to live in peace and happiness. To ensure it, we need a healthy home where we can keep our body and mind healthy and full of spirit. We need to pay our attention to cleanliness of the inside and outside of our home to make its environment beautiful, attractive and healthy. A clean home can give us comfort as well as sound body and mind. Every space and every nook and corner of the home needs to be regularly cleaned. So student, we know that for our healthy home environment, we should keep our home. We should clean our home regularly. So, for our sound body and mind, we need a beautiful, attractive and beautiful, healthy home environment. Cleanliness of internal spaces of the home, that is entire spaces within the rooms where we spend most of our time for work and rest need to be cleaned every day. In this way, internal environment can be kept clean and healthy. Now, here are given three divisions of internal clearing activities. Okay, so internal clearing activities can be divided into three groups. Okay, and first one is daily cleaning, number 2 weekly cleaning, and number 3 yearly cleaning. Daily cleaning, from this title we know that daily cleaning, that means we have to clean our home and home environment on daily basis. Okay, daily cleaning involves a daily brooming, mopping, wiping, putting mud house of all the rooms, veranda, wiping of furniture, surfaces, bed making, arranging textbooks, exercise books, etc. Cleansing of articles of everyday use of the kitchen and other rooms, washing of clothing that are used every day. Okay, so these are examples of daily cleaning. Okay, besides it is necessary to clean the water tap, bases, sinks, bathrooms, toilets, etc. every day. Removal of filth, wastage and refuse materials that accumulate every day, etc. are also within daily cleaning activities. Number 2, weekly cleaning. So there are some works that we need to clean this on a weekly basis. Okay, dusting up and removal of soot from walls and ceiling, dusting, wiping of grills and glasses of doors and windows, cleaning of electric fans, washing of bed sheets and pillow covers, cleaning of kitchen racks, and if carpets is used in the rooms, its dusting and keeping in the sun, etc. are under weekly cleaning activities. Besides, cleaning of inner and outer part of the fridge outside are among such activities. Now, yearly cleaning, painting of furniture, cleaning of room floors after removal of the furniture, home repair and whitewash, placing of the things under the sun which are generally enclosed in almirah or trunks, such as seasonal clothes, quilts, mattresses, rugs, etc. Cleaning of plates, drinking glasses preserved in wooden almirah or showcases for a long period, etc. are among the activities that are done on yearly basis. So this type of things we will do on yearly basis. Activities under the above three categories vary according to their types and are significantly labor consuming. These hence need to be distributed among the family members according to their respective age, energy and efficiency. Younger members will become conscious of their responsibilities and will be careful in performing their part of tasks through participating in the aforesaid cleaning activities. Okay, now tools used in home cleaning. Okay, which type of tools are used in various activities of home cleaning? Soft and hard brooms, mugs, earthen bowls, brush ceiling with cleaning broom, ladder, coconut coir and nylon scrubber, soft cotton textile or towel, soaps, vim or bleaching powder, old newspaper, etc. Now lesson 2, cleanliness of the outer premises. How we will clean our outer premises, now we will see here. Okay. The outer premises of the house also needs to be kept clean, like the internal premises, for maintaining sound body and mental satisfaction for all the family members. The following need to be done for maintaining cleanliness throughout the outer home premises. Now here are given some examples. Okay, removing fallen, some features, removing fallen leaves, dry things from the courtyard, preventing growing up of bushes around the house, mowing grass and removing weeds, keeping the roof or face clean, keeping the drains or showers clean. Branches of big and large trees should be searched once a year at the outside of the home. It is very important. So, branches of big and large trees should be sized once a year at the outside of the home. This will enhance their growth and let sunlight come inside of the house. Okay, now in the next page, in the urban areas, water and other liquid wastes of the house are drained to the underground main sewerage line outside the house. If drains are generally open and uncovered, these need to be cleaned regularly. So, solid wastes of the house such as garbage, polythene bags, etc. may cause blockage in the drain and pollute environment, creating unhealthy situation through overflow of liquid waste. We need to be conscious of such situation. We need to ensure unrestricted flow along the drains of cleaning them by means of long handled brushes, bamboo sticks, etc. Phenol, bleaching powder, etc. should be spread over the drains to make them free of bacteria and germs. Now, at the time of rains, drains need to be tracked in the house courtyard for free movement of rainwater. Stagnant and locked rainwater is the ideal breeding ground of Aedes mosquitoes, which may cause dengue fever. So, dengue fever is caused by biting Aedes mosquitoes. So, here is given an example. Okay, Onik does not go to school very often. He usually suffers from cold, cough, fever throughout the year. As a result, he always feels dejected. That means frustrated, or he does not feel good. Okay, he does not find inspiration in any work. One day, his friends went to his house and found it extremely damp and full of darkness inside. Sunlight and air don't enter the house as the branches of the courtyard trees are not sized. Onik becomes sick as his house does not have a healthy home environment. We need to keep in mind that both internal and external home environment should be kept clean to be physical and mentally sound. So, from this chapter, we can say that for our sound health and mind, our internal external home environment should be cleaned. So, student, this is your homework number 6 and topic. You have to make 5 one-word question answer by reading this whole chapter. Okay, that means lesson 1 and lesson 2. And after doing your homework, you have to submit on upcoming Saturday. Thank you, all of you. See you in next class.